Hello, welcome to Off-Grid Ontario. We are here, Northern Ontario, a crisp February, I think the 2nd. Sun is shining. The snow is here to stay. Say hi to the puppies. And now, once again, it is shower time. Only this time, I've upgraded. That there is the GASLAND portable propane hot water heater. It's got its own built-in shower head. Got the heater kicking here, warms up the tent. We got our reservoir, good old rubberneck garbage can with our 1/4 horse pump. And we have our propane tank. And that all hooks up to the bottom here. And we have our knobs, low, high basically for winter time, low to high heat, and then low to high pressure. Now this pump, I can't seem to turn it higher than this water flow. I think this pump is just too much for it, but that's okay. It works, and I'm going to show you right now.